Now that we have our trailing quarter of earnings, which we just filled out here, we need to go find the price at the end of each of the quarters. So the end of the third quarter of 2014, second quarter of 2014, first quarter of 2014, and the fourth quarter of 2013. To find these historical quotes, we're going to use the website marketwatch.com. So you want to take your browser to marketwatch.com and then take your stock ticker symbol, in my case VZ, and in that little search right there, type VZ, and of course it'll show a bunch of lists here of things that are potentially good, and we want Verizon Communications. So it's going to go ahead and take me to a quote for today, but what I want is under historical quotes right here. So let me click on that. Scroll a little bit here so you can see it. And I want to go to the end of the third quarter. So the third quarter ends on the last day of September. So in 2014, September. And notice that that day is in fact Monday through Friday, so the markets were open. Sometimes the last day of the quarter is on a Saturday or a Sunday. Then you'll want to get the quote from the previous Friday. All right, let's say set. And it says the closing price on that day is $49.99. So I'll go back to my document, and in the price at the end of the quarter, $49.99. Now we need to get the end of the second quarter. So let's go back to MarketWatch. And this time I'll change it. The end of the second quarter is the last day of June. And in fact, that is a trading day. And now I'll go ahead and set that. And it comes up and says that the closing price was $48.93. So I'll go ahead and put that in my table. If I continue doing this, I can get the price at the end of the first quarter. That's at the end of March. And also at the end of the fourth quarter for 2013. So that's the end of December in 2013. And that price was $49.14. So I've gone ahead and found all my data. The final thing I need to do is to go ahead and find the P/E ratio.